You see, on the first day when I came to meet CID officers, all the officers were present. Second time when I came, two officers were present. Now this is the third time, no officer was present. I think they had a very important event of cricket competition somewhere in Mumbai. For that they had gone. Now nothing concrete has happened. What you are saying is true, and that is what we feel. The reason why nothing has happened is because there's a fear in political circles of people who are in power that if they take action on VK Singh or VSR, VK Singh would take names of a lot of leaders, starting from Maharashtra leaders to the central leaders, and especially, he has special bonding with Ram Mohan Naidu that we have seen. So he should not take anyone name. That's the reason why no action has been taken on VSR or VK Singh till today. Yeah, 100%. They know a lot of things, but they don't want that investigation should happen. So now, normal question is, whole of Maharashtra is demanding the action should be taken. FIR should be registered. Now we had to go to Karnataka. We got it registered from there, but now it has been transferred to Maharashtra. CM Maharashtra said it will be investigated, but now after speaking to DGP and also CID people, what we understand is they are not going to investigate in this matter on that particular FIR, but they will just inquire. Well, what is happening today is they are not serious about this particular investigation. There could be definitely a very important reason for that, and that's the reason why we want. Or if they really wanted to investigate, they would have accepted the FIR. Now, to send this particular investigation to CBI is a demand from Ajit Dada's party and family. But since 2 months, nothing has happened in that case also. So to some extent, the people in power feel that this issue would be alive for some time, and then people and media and everyone will forget. But they are in a wrong mindset. That is what I feel. Let's see, till 10th of May, we will wait because CM had said that he will go and meet Amit Shah ji because he was, well, like everyone was busy with Tamil Nadu and Kolkata elections. Now elections have got over. Now fourth result will come, and then I'm pretty sure between today and till 10th of May, our CM will go and meet Amit Shah ji because in the Adivation only he had given a word, and then the CBI, this case will get transferred to CBI. We have to wait and watch till 10th of May, and after that, then we are open and we are free to take any course of action. See, we don't believe in black magic, but what matters is the intent behind black magic. In case of Kharat, a lot of political leaders used to meet him. A lot of leaders from Ajit Dada family, party rather, not family, I'm so sorry, used to meet him, used to do puja there. So what we have understood and found out is Mr. Mitkari is also, looking after that particular inquiry from his own side. That Katewadi is a village where Ajit Dada's house is there. Plus, there's a house in Baramati and there's a house in Mumbai, which is a government house. Uh, Outside all these three houses, this black magic was done. So now, what is the intent we need to find out? And what we have found out is a local leader. We are still trying to find the name also, and we are also trying to find if he was involved in some puja wherein blood needs to be given, whether it is from any of the finger. So we are trying to find what the name is, but definitely a local leader from Maharashtra had helped this particular puja, and he was in touch with Kharat, and also financially he is involved in some businesses with some leaders who were involved, who are from Ajit Dada's party, and who were involved with Kharat. So we are trying to find out who this local small leader from Baramati is. He's from same party, Ajit Dada's party. No, if Jay Pawar is given an opportunity, it's good. He's young and definitely he will, speak on these real issues with the government. But now, finally, finally his party has to take the call. Amol Mitkari also is fighting on behalf of Ajit Dada, so he's also good candidate. That is what we feel, or the normal public feels. But what we hear is there's a big leader from that party who is pushing his son's name. There's a big leader who's pushing his brother's son's name. And there's one name which is coming forward who is pushing or who is offering a lot of cash and money. Now we have to see what party takes the call.
आजची उद्योगनगरी न्यूजला सबस्क्राईब, बेल आयकॉनला प्रेस करा, लाईक, कमेंट आणि शेअर करा.